I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making a focused close friends list so your story reaches the right people immediately. Open Instagram, go to your profile and settings, then close friends. Add 10-30 people who regularly engage. Choose contacts who will reply or share feedback, because that interaction trains the algorithm to prioritize your content. Once done, preview your list, remove duplicates, and make sure to include a few trusted acquaintances you want real conversation from. Now you craft stories that make close friends respond. Start with a strong hook, a question or visual in the first 3 seconds, then give context and a clear prompt like reply with an opinion. Use 2 to 5 frames, set up, provide value, then call to action. Make sure to use native stickers like polls or questions to lower friction. Once people reply back quickly to keep momentum. This layered approach increases engagement and builds genuine conversations. Finish by turning initial replies into ongoing closeness through fast, personal engagement. You must respond within 24 hours and reference replies in follow-up stories or DMs to signal value and build rapport. Then review engagement, remove non-responders, and add new active contacts monthly to keep the group relevant. If replies are low, troubleshoot. Try a clearer call to action, shorten your story sequence, or test different posting times. One tip: if people don't engage, ask a single, easy-to-answer question to restart conversation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.